Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something fun in maths, making numbers. It is interesting to see how different numbers can be made from same set of digits. Let's take the digit 9, 0, 3 and 2. We will use each digit only once and make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest number. To make the smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. That is 0, 2, 3, 9. But wait, a number cannot start with 0 in the thousands place. Then we choose the next smallest digit is 2. Then put 0 in the hundreds place, followed by 3 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. The smallest number we get is 2039. Greatest number. To make the greatest number, first arrange the given digit in descending order. That is 9, 3, 2, 0. Now place them one by one. 9 in thousand place, 3 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, 0 in ones place. The greatest number we get is 9320. So from the digit 9, 0, 3 and 2, the greatest number is 9320. The smallest number is 2039. Isn't it amazing how the same digit can make such different number?